Hola, I'm Mary from Mary Palettes, and today we're gonna be doing this Pride makeup look using the new Sigma Color Me Proud mini brush set. This set is perfect for on-the-go beauty, and a portion of each set sold will be donated to Eat Kids Better. With that said, let's start into our tutorial. I have done my base, so we're gonna start with the eye shade in E55. I'm applying a silver glittery eyeshadow all over the lid. Then with my E30 pencil brush, we're gonna start applying color by color of the rainbow. With the purple shade, I'm creating a C that goes through the end of my crease to the bottom of my lashes. And we want to do the same process with each color of the rainbow. I love how convenient these brushes are and that they are cruelty free, and they also have a 2-year warranty. I have applied blue and now green. I love the size of this brush to do this type of details. We're just replicating the colors of the rainbow, but one tip that I can give you is to use a small amount of eyeshadow for each color that you apply. Now the best part is grabbing your E25 blending brush, and we're gonna drag the end of our rainbow under the eye, and as you can see, it makes a huge difference. To bring some light in the inner corner, I'm using a baby blue eyeshadow and a blue eyeliner pencil. I'm also adding a small wing with black eyeliner to blend my lashes better. Using eyelash glue and some rhinestones, I'm gonna add some bling to this look and make it even prettier. I was going for like a constellation type of thing. Mascara before fake lashes, and I'm gonna be using the Sigma Fantasy lashes. I love how beautiful these lashes are and so easy to put on. To complement the look, I'm gonna add some Renew lip oil. And this is the final look. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to subscribe and let me know in the comments what else you would like to see in this channel. And remember, we all deserve love and have a happy Pride. Mwah.